Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we are addressing a common issue with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1, where users report that their device won't connect properly and the USB-C port isn't functioning as it should. This problem typically arises due to a faulty controller, which can disrupt your ability to connect peripherals or charge your laptop effectively. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more significant issues, potentially leaving your device unusable. To perform this repair, you will need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and a new USB-C controller compatible with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. To start, we need to open the laptop safely. Begin by turning it off and unplugging it from any power source. Using your precision screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips. Next, we need to locate the faulty component. The USB-C controller is typically near the USB-C ports on the motherboard. Once you find it, you'll notice it is secured by a couple of screws. Carefully unscrew these screws, being mindful of the small size and the force you apply. After removing the screws, gently disconnect any cables attached to the controller. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging surrounding components. Now, you can extract the old controller. Replace it with the new one, ensuring that it is seated properly in its place. Reconnect the cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are secure. Once everything is in place, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it correctly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, being careful not to over-tighten them as this could strip the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, power on your device and check if the USB-C ports are functioning correctly. You should now be able to connect your peripherals without issues. To prevent this problem from recurring, it's advisable to keep your device clean and dust-free, especially around the USB ports. Avoid using damaged cables and always ensure you are plugging and unplugging connectors gently. Regular maintenance can save you from future headaches. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.